YouTube, what's happening? It's your boy Shad, and I'm back kicking the month off in a real way, in a big way. These packages just came in the mail today. Pretty excited to have these, and not gonna do anything in depth, nothing too crazy. Just gonna open up the box, show you what's inside, bada bing, bada boom, keep it moving. More in-depth reviews later to come, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Check out for my future videos. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure you do that. Hit that notification bell as well. So let's go ahead and get this started. 7 boxes, 5 pairs of kicks. Let's go. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with the first box. I'm gonna leave the bags to the side. Smaller things, I already know what they are. Let's go ahead and get with the shoes first, and then we'll get to the smaller stuff. So kicking things off here. Let's see what's cracking. All right, so the first pair, we got the N354, size 12. This is the Nike Drop Type LX. So this was kind of like a sleeper shoe. Something I thought a little smooth, little casual shoe. Nothing too serious. You know, 75 bucks on Nike. Scoop these off the SNKRS app. Looks like a little long shoe. Got some cool little hits, like I said. We'll go over more details later, but I just wanted to show you guys what we got going on here. So again, that's the Drop Type LX. Go on to the next one. We moving, y'all. We keeping it moving over here. Let's see what this is about. All right. Open it from the bottom this time, so. Okay, see the box, you already know what it is. Again, my size, men's 12, women's 13 and a half. That's that Zoom Terra Kiger 5. And we got it in the black, metallic, silver, white. Bam, so much has been said. This is my first pair of off-whites. Like I said, more details to come. First look at the shoes is totally different. I'm glad. I thought these were actually a track shoe with the spikes. I'm glad they're rubber. Pretty cool, man. Like I said, first pair of off-whites. Zoom Terra Kiger 5. There we go there. Bring it on to the next one. Keeping it moving, keeping it moving, keeping it quick. See what this is about right here. Oh, yet another one, and another one. Again, same box, but this color, we've got white, metallic, silver, sail. Same shoe, Zoom Kiger, Zoom Terra Kiger 5. This is in the white colorway, the more sought after colorway, I think. You know, what can I say? Again, so many reviews on this shoe already. Again, my first pairs of off-whites. A little different, you know. Video coming soon. Just check it out. Alright. What we got next? Next up, get this out the way. Know what this is, so I'll wait for this one until later. Go with the big box right here. This is a little bit different. This was like a very spontaneous pickup. So, all right. Another Nike box. Heavy. It's a heavy box right here. So this right here is the free TR3 MMWs. This is that collaboration joint right here. See the box. Let's check these out because I haven't seen too many videos on this one here. So I'm interested to see how these look in person. Got these off of Union, Los Angeles. Caught these at retail. Oh, these are different. Golly, these are heavy. Here we go here. I'll definitely have to take another look at this one. This one's different. This is crazy. Now, I like the pictures I saw online. You know, some of these collaborations are dope. It's like a boot. This reminds me of back in the day when I was younger, I used to have a pair of rollerblades that had the straps on it and you put your foot in there. That's what this reminds me of. If I could find a picture. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get it. I'm gonna have to check these out a little bit more. So there you go. On to the next one. So this one right here, I don't know if I should start with the smaller boxes or if I should go with the kicks first. We're gonna start with the smaller stuff and check out what it is. And by the time you see the first piece, you'll already know what it is. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Nike, please change your boxing, change your packaging. Just do it. Checks on the box. I don't know what y'all doing with it. I mean, come on, man. I had to rush home on my lunch break to come pick these up. Make sure that it was still sitting in my front yard, you know, my driveway. So Nike, if I could have just get one piece of advice, change your boxes. Change them. Just take off the check. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. Subtlety goes a long way. But here we go. Anyway, back to your regularly scheduled programming. Here we go. We've got the Nike Hawkins High School T in the XXL, my size. Got Nike on the back and that green colorway. I like it. I like the tag. Tag's got the Stranger Things on it. You know, pretty cool. Go to the next box right here. Alright, gotta match that fit. Gotta go with the hat. Again, Hawkins High. It's that one size fits all. You know? In the green. Got the tiger on the patch there. Pretty dope. Now, the grand finale. The last box. See what it is. Bam. So again, Nike, good job on the packaging. I like it's pretty dope. Good throwback. Got the 1985 Stranger Things on the box. Got the cool paper here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Dropping things. Got Stranger Things on the inside of the box. You know, the paper right here. July 4th, parade, prep begins. Let's show the shoes real quick. Let's see what these are here. Get these boxes out the way. Bam. Tailwinds. And that green colorway, patch on the back, oversized swoosh, nostalgic look, Stranger Things on the tab here on the tongue. You know what I mean? Good stuff comes with the pins, the Hawkins Phys Ed, Scoops Ahoy, Nike Stranger Things. Cool packaging, man. Nike did it with this one. I like this shoe a lot. A good classic shoe. Yeah. Alright, there you have it, y'all. Pickups that came in the mail today. We've got the free TR. Then you've got the Type Drop LX. You got 2 pairs of the Terracotta 5s in the white and the black. And then you got the Tailwinds right here. Stranger Things. Quick unboxing. Thank you guys for peeping. Like I said, more videos to come. I'll go ahead and do some more reviews of each of these shoes. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification button as well. Until the next time, y'all be easy and happy collecting. Peace.